Thank you, Alexa. We're talking about yung actor-actor relationship, no? Direct, ito yung next question from Jeffrey. How was it naman directing a Korean actor?
Oh. It wasn't hard at all. Kasi what I love about Kim Ji-soo, kasi nga ano din, sinuportahan na yun ng mga cast that he's really focused and prepared. Ito, seryoso, table reading pa lang namin. Memorize yung lines. Samantalang silang lahat, naka-script kami. Pero siya, memorize niya. Parang, uy, relax ka lang. Table reading pa lang to. Pero siya, all out na kaagad. So medyo napipressure kami lahat na, uy, ganyan yun. But yeah, it was very collaborative. Yung ginawa namin yung script, it was almost 80% done. But when he entered the picture, he supplied a lot of information about the Korean culture.
Okay.
And suggestions also in terms of perspective. So we had to revise it also based on his experience. Kasi we wanted it to be very authentic. And he really helped us so much.
Saka ang gusto nga niya ipalabas na parang in a positive way.
Yes.
Kasi nga, nabasa daw niya sa documentaries na the Kopino is somewhat showcased in a negative way.
Correct.
And he wanted it in positive, right?
Yes.
Alright. Next, from Marlu Herrero of Tatak, Manila. For Rufa May.
Yes.
Ito na.
Yes.
How did you attack the role? Since this is a special
Parang
participation.
principal to si ano eh.
Teka lang, makinig ka muna sa
Oo,
tanong.
ang hirap eh.
How did you attack your role? Since this is a special participation role, you still managed to regular yourself in the movie.
I attack myself with them, di ba? Yes, yun lang. Hindi, gusto ko lang pa sa... Again, where's your watch? The card game. You're giving it to me, remember? The ending. Hindi ko po kinuha, pero ngayon mabait pa na siya, kukunin ko na. Next time I will get it.
Oh, ano
So
ha?
I attack, ganun ang attack ko, friendship.
Okay.
Kaya naman naman si Derek favorite ako, kaya yun din talagang dahilan.
Pero special participation ka nga lang ba
Oo,
dito?
kasi nga hindi niya kaya.
Ay!
Na-miss niya ako from Comedy Island, last one laughing. So ngayon, gusto niya kasama ko sila. Lahat naman, hindi kasi naging bandingan kami, kaya siningin ko talaga ang attack sa role ko.
Ibang Rufa May makikita namin dito.
Ano kasi sabihin ko na ba? Okay lang. Baka alam na nila agad. Hindi kasi po ang role ko, nakakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya lagi. Kaya yun yung comedy doon, yung hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin alam kung sino siya.
Sino?
Si...
Tinuro. Tinuso.
Riley. Alam ko na kasi ang pinost ko na, di ba?
So madalas ang ka-eksena mo,
Hindi siya.
lahat.
Oo, ito.
Sino paborito mong ka-eksena sa lahat?
Siyempre si Kim Ji-soo.
Ah!
Siyempre si Fred. Matagal na kami magkakilala.
Oo.
Siya na yung papel. Si Mark, siyempre, writer namin.
Oo. Hindi, si Jisoo, anong baka-eksena ninyo?
Kasi
Without
gusto ko
spoiling.
naman din magiging favorite siya. Pag nakita ko, sabi nga namin ni Kai Cortez, natin si Kai, no, matikas.
Ay.
Totoo naman, di ba?
Oo.
Yan yun na hindi na naintindihan niya. Ano yung matikas?
Okay.
No, I just say you're very, matikas nga.
Ano ba yung matikas in English?
In a nice way, baka, ano ba yun? Who's that? Your translator? Or BIR? Baka finding the tax. Ha? Yeah, what's a handsome?
Pero ba nakakalam na matikas in English?
Kaya
Parang
sa
ganun lang.
Latin.
Debonair.
Debonair, spell.
Spell.
Hirap naman. Basta I was very dashing debonair.
Dashing.
Very happy.
Yeah.
Everything positive.
Yeah.
Just for the watch.
Okay. Thank you, Rufa
So
May.
please watch October 9.
Okay.
And give me the watch, I'll watch for you.
Ang next question ni Marlo is for Ryrie. Ryrie, could you briefly tell us how similar your role is to your real self? Kapareho ba?
Short.
Makulit. Wow!
Anong tanong? Anong tanong? Naalala mo? Tanong niya? Wala na.
Pero Ryrie, ang sabi kanina, ikaw ang mini-miss you ng Cavite, tama ba? Oo, mini-miss you. So ito yung first TV project ni Ryrie. Film. So first movie project ni Ryrie. Wow. Ano pakiramdam? May pelikula ka na, ikaw pa yung bida. Happy naman po. Wow, of course. Next, si Bernard Santos may question from My Movie World for Alexa. Do you see your younger self in Ryrie? Since both of you started as child stars, and what do you think sets Ryrie apart from other child stars in the industry?
Well, I haven't really worked with a lot of other child stars ngayon. Pero meron po kaming similarities, pero madami rin kaming differences. Kasi nung bata po ako, mas reserved, I would say. I was a bit more reserved. Pero kagaya ni Ryrie, very bibo. Kapag naman pinakanta at pinasayaw, game naman, parang ganon. Ganon din po si Ryrie. Siya yung parang nagpapahappy talaga sa buong set, kakanta siya, sasayaw
Pero
siya.
mukha siyang mahiyain now.
Siguro po, syempre, it's a bit overwhelming to be in front of so many people.
Right.
So I'm sure may nerves din kahit pa paano. Pero cool lang yan. Chill ka, diba?
Chill.
Chill. Kilay-kilay lang yung tumataas. Pero what I really like about Ryrie is her professionalism. Because as a kid, of course, napapagod siya. Right away, kids nap. Kids need to nap, di ba? Or maikli ang attention span. But ang maganda po kay Ryrie is, napagsasabihan, she learns when you talk to her. And, yun nga, yung professionalism po niya, parang naiintindihan niya. She's very matured for her age. Kung paano siya makipag-usap sa amin.
How old is Ryrie?
Six.
Six.
She's six. When I was her age, hindi pa po ako sumalang sa showbiz. More on commercials din po ako. So, that's a totally different world. Pero sobrang nakaka-proud si Ryrie. Sabi ko nga, patuloy lang siyang hasain at alagaan. Siyempre, to keep her feet on the ground and matutong gumalang sa mga iba. She will make it really, really far.
Wow! Well, good luck, Ryrie, sa iyong first movie project. Ito, simulan na natin yung Q&A with our friends from the press here. Let's start with the Aster. Aster ko na unang magtanong.
Thank you, MJ. I'd like to direct my questions kay Jisoo. You're a very popular actor in South Korea. What made you decide to move to the Philippines and try your luck in local showbiz?
Actually, my first movie debut was 2014, it's 10 years ago. And the director was actually a Filipino guy. So, yeah, I don't know what was destiny like this. So my first movie debut was Filipinos, and my first foreign friend also Filipino. So it's like, here is kind of a familiar country to me. And you know, in these days, this industry, showbiz industry in the Philippines, they are very growing up. And if I have a chance, I also want to be part of them. And also, I want to learn a lot of language and cultures. I wanted to explore to the other country. So that's why I'm here. And especially this movie, when I read the script, it was really touched my heart. I mean, yeah, even it's smaller, I want to be part of this movie. And yeah, I want to try this movie. And I want to show as a Korean, maybe in a good way. Yeah, I want to try to that.
Are you staying here for good? Are you staying here for good?
I love here. Even the hot weather, I'm always sweat. But I love it. I love it the summer, and I really like this ambience. You know, I like the green things, the tree, Uno, and something. Yes.
You've been here for almost a year, right? Since December 2023.
Not like that. And that one is just it was just few days. So since living here, like just 4 or 5 months, I guess. Yes.
The experience working with the Filipino artists. What was, can you explain to us?
I think they are really bright. I mean, everyone is always smile and bright, and they are very fun. And so when I see them, I also feel like very chill. And especially Greg, when on the set, he always laughing. Like that. Because he make the set vibe is chill, like relaxed, and he is like make a humor with everyone. So it was very fun, and he has always specific image on the movie, so it's easy to.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tita Aster. Thank you, Jisoo. Kung sino po gusto magtanong, taas niyo lang po yung kamay, tapos lalapit po namin yung microphone sa inyo. We have more questions here from Naz Tabares from Pelicula Mania for Direct Randolph. What took you so long to do another movie? What took you so long to do another movie? And what made you say yes to Mujay?
May siya ng password at it took me some time because na-insecure talaga ako nung mga gumagawa ng pelikula. Parang feeling ko, pag gumawa ka ng pelikula, kailangan yung responsibility mo as a filmmaker na may boses yung gagawin mo. Parang hindi ka lang gawa ng
May social relevance.
for the sake of it. So, I took some time. Hinasa ko yung skill ko. Hopefully, sa advertising industry. So, tinulungan ako lang sa Madonna in accommodating narrative, short narrative na branded. So, yung mga kwentong Jollibee, yung mga gano'n, nakakaiyak na mga materials online, medyo kami din po yung mga, pakanan nun. So, ngayon, medyo ready naman na. So, kaya sinubukan namin ulit gumawa ng pelikula.
Alright. Also from Naz, for Alexa, are you a K-drama fan? And if so, how did it influence your initial reaction upon reading the script and eventually shooting the film?
I think meron talagang K-drama fan would be my mom. And nadadamay ako sa kanya kasi during the pandemic, she would non-stop watching K-drama movies or series. Actually, my favorite one, and medyo nakarelate din in a way with me accepting this film, is Hi Bye Mama. It's one of my favorite K-dramas. Sobrang na-touch ako. Parang din yung nakita ko na-inspired because I had to show in some way the love of a mother. But as a tita version.
Right.
So yeah, and then naka-work ko naman si Kim Jisoo. I was like, oh wow, I really sa K-drama din na to. Kaya ginip ko rin talaga yung best. So it's very inspiring.
Alright, speaking of K-drama, next question natin. From Albert Brian Abilido for Rupa May. Speaking
Kaya
of...
pasensya na kayo kasi straight English speaking ka pa na, nalilito na.
8 questions na naman. If you were to recreate a K-drama character, what
Fire
would...
Letter 8,
Yes, who would it be and why?
gusto ko lang crush na.
Ay,
Yes. Sino mo lang na hilig ko sa K-drama. Pero K-drama, di ba? Pero pinigilan ko na rin po after. Kasi yung 3 days, hindi na ako natulog. Kaya anak ko, sabi ko, tulog. Tulog siya. Nagkaroon ka na inay. Sabi ko, hindi na ako sugan. Wala nang siya. Tulog yung anak ko. Madaling araw na silent. Kasi di ba binabasa mo naman yung
subtitle.
Oo, sabi ko, binasa ko. Kaya sabi ko, nagiging ko naman yung gawin drama. Talagang maaari talaga. So, ako ginawa ko. Kaya, ano ko man talaga ako, nag-K-pop. So, BTS. Totoo yun! Hindi ko may dance moves.
Alright.
Pero, idol ko talaga lang.
Thank you, Pichi. Meron ba magkatanong
I
sa
crush you.
June, magkatanong ka? Okay, si June lang yung magkatanong ng question.
Yeah. Hi, Miss Whitney. Ako, binati mo. No, to...
Hindi mo siya
Oo, lumipat ako. Talagang nakikita ko sa mga request. Pili ko na kanina medyo kinabahan ka dahil kaya mo mas lagi mo kinabahan. So, eto na. Pinag-usapan
Wala sa
natin.
akin, pwede pala yun. Hindi sa akin, pwede pala yun. Nagkaayon, nagkaalis.
Hindi yan, tatanungin kita. Pero yan, nakaka-excite ko. Sasama niya ni Alexa Ilacan with this movie. Kasi before napabalita na, di ba na-excite ka, naghahanap ng Buba Junior.
Oo nga.
Tapos parang
Isa siya sa mga...
isa siya, di ba? Tapos sabi mo gusto mo siya. Tapos nung mag-shoot kayo nitong movie na to,
Gusto ako pala.
hindi ko siya masyadong ma-pronounce yung title. Pero yung nag-post na si
Mujike.
Mujike, okay.
Gay.
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 Okay. Oh, pero talaga yung yung excitement ni Alexa na pinuha ka talaga na she finally met Miss Buba in the blast. Di ba? Oo. Na-touch ka no? Yung respeto niya, di ba?
Kasi
Bakit?
mahilig siya mag-TikTok. Masaya na-touch ko kasi siyempre tuwa siya. Nagtuwa din ako yung unang nasabi niya. Naku, idol ko po kayo mga ganon. So nakakatuwa. Dapat ganyan lahat ng Gen Z.
Marespeto, no? Nakakatuwa na nire-respeto nilang isang veteran na katulad.
Oo, marespeto. Tsaka maganda siya.
Hindi ka nag-react sa veteran. Sabi ko, veteran.
Kanya.
Veteran? Oh, veteranan. Oh.
Parang nabibigyan na rin ako sa pagka-veteran. Ito kasi, yung damit sa akin, casual, oh. Ewan ko kung saan napupunta na. Anyways, kasi
Pero yung
nakakaulitin din.
So nakakatuwa kasi yung mga Gen Z like her, no, the respect na binibigay niya to the highest level.
Yes.
So you agree with that? Agree? Spino. Hindi, pero ikaw, na-experience mo na. Ito, alam ko, nagkukwentuhan tayo about
Nag-guess
Alexa.
kasi kami sa akin, pupunta ka na kung nandun ka. So, pupunta sa akin, Alexa.
Kasi binola ko yung iba, sabi ko, pupunta ako dahil sa inyo. Kahit kay Richard Kwan yun ang sinabi ko.
Sa akin,
Sa nabihan mo.
ano ka pa naman ko? Siya na ang mujike.
Pero friendship, okay, na ang ganda ng experience mo with Alexa. Si Alexa talagang super flash siya sa'yo, di ba? Pero may experience ka rin sa iba. Kasi yung kilala kita the way i-flex mo yung kasiyahan mo with Alexa. For sure, may naging experience ka sa iba na hindi ka makikita. May
Siya
ganun.
naman yung Jim. Hindi, mabait sila lahat sa akin. Dahil hindi nila, natutuwa sila eh. Kaya sana matuwa din ako sa kanila. Kaya natutuwa ako siyempre kasi kilala nila ako. Di ba? Kita mo, you know me? Oh, you know me? Yes. Si Scarlett yan.
Pero syempre, ang ganda rin kasi, ng ano mo ngayon, ng exposure mo sa show na hindi ba? So, ano,
Our revelation.
araw-araw mo siya ipinag-promote.
Hindi naman.
Hindi.
Kasi MWF yan.
Ah.
MWF.
So, every time nandun ka sa
So,
show,
hindi bumabag yun. Walang maka-attend. Ako naman yung na-attend. Kasi doon ako nakatira sa tabi ng ABS. Hindi naman pa-local like lang po ako host judge ganyan. So, awa ng Diyos, regular na. So, pero not every day.
so, at least, no, hindi nawawala yung sa movie.
Thank you. Oo, kaya nga dito na muna ako. Pwede ko regular, din ako sa showtime. Regular na siya. Yung last one namin tayo, to the Philippines and to the Filipinos. Yun po ang ibig sabihin. Pero ngayon, kung ano-ano na yung meaning, so okay lang naman. For the realization and realization.
Pero yung friendship, thank you, we're all excited you're back here in the Philippines and with this movie. We're excited to watch it. Kasi,
Regular accent.
yeah.